Jobs for Nature is a $1.245 billion government investment in Aotearoa's economy and te taiao, our natural environment, to support our recovery from COVID-19. The program will bring thousands of New Zealanders into nature-based work, offering new skills and development opportunities. It provides people with paid work to help support their families while also contributing to a better future for New Zealand's environment. For some, the work through Jobs for Nature is a lifeline, a temporary measure to pay the bills until the borders open or a way to keep their business afloat. And for others, it's a career move into full-time environmental work. Whether it's a temporary job filler or a journey to a new career, every single individual's time spent working as part of the Jobs for Nature program will form a new relationship with nature and develop new skills that will endure beyond the lifetime of the program. The Jobs for Nature program also addresses long-term underinvestment in te taiao. Just like we invest in our built environment, we must invest in our natural resources. The program will contribute to a cleaner, greener New Zealand and support a step change in how we manage crucial environmental assets by providing vital funding to projects that are improving freshwater quality, eradicating and managing pests, and enhancing biodiversity. Our natural environment has been degrading over many decades. Reversing the damage won't happen overnight, but the Jobs for Nature program will make a difference.
Jobs for Nature program has been fantastic. They're at the start of something here. This is life-changing.
Yeah, I've been in the conservation business for 20 years, and I think Jobs for Nature is probably the most exciting thing I've seen so far.
Partnerships between local government, iwi and community groups are central to most Jobs for Nature funded projects.
These relationships ensure communities are working towards a shared vision for their local natural environment. Jobs for Nature allows central government to tautoko this important mahi.
You just feel like you're actually making a difference in the world.
It makes me feel really good because I've wandered around on the planet not knowing where I want to go or what I want to do, but I definitely feel like I'm heading in the right direction now.
Yeah, I feel like I've found a passion in conservation.
Jobs for Nature is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to create a better future for the natural world we depend on and those who live in it. Toi tū te ngahere, toi tū te whenua, toi tū te tangata. If we look after the forest, if we look after the land will look after us.